evaluate the integral of fourth root of x ln x dx. So we can evaluate this integral using integration by parts, or IBP for short, given by the formula integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So we let u equal to ln x and we let dv equal to fourth root of x dx. Then we get the derivative of u du, derivative of ln x 1 over x dx. For the dv, we integrate integral of dvv, integral of fourth root of x. So applying fractional exponent, fourth root of x is equal to x raised to 1/4 dx. Right? So the integral of x raised to 1/4 applying power rule is x raised to 1/4 plus 1 over 1/4 plus 1. Or that's equal to x raised to 5/4 over 5/4. So getting the reciprocal of 5/4, that's 4/5 x raised to 5/4. So this is the value of v. Applying integration by parts, therefore, the integral of fourth root of x ln x dx is equal to uv, u is ln x, times the v, which is 4/5 of x raised to 5/4, then minus the integral of v du. So v is 4/5 x raised to 5/4, then the du is 1 over x dx. So let's just rewrite this as 4/5 x raised to 5/4 times ln x, then minus, we can put the constant in front, the 4/5. So we'll have negative 4/5 integral of x raised to 5/4 times 1 over x. So we're just dividing same base x, right? So applying division law of exponent, we copy the base x, then subtract the exponent numerator minus exponent of the denominator, which is the invisible one, dx. So 5/4 minus 1 is 1/4. So we'll have 4/5 x raised to 5/4 ln x minus 4/5. Again, integral of x raised to 1/4 is 4/5 x raised to 5/4. So times 4/5 x raised to 5/4. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So we'll have 4/5 x raised to 5/4 ln x minus 4/5 times 4/5, 16 over 25 x raised to 5/4 plus c. So this is the final answer.